Hi everyone, so just a quick update on how my lovely bonsais are doing. They haven't really been doing much. I think they're in their non-growing season right now. I've been doing some research, and I guess bonsais do have a period where they stop absorbing nutrients, and that's in the late summer and early fall. And that's where we are right now. It's August 23rd when I'm filming this. So their growth will slow, and I should only fertilize them once a month. So yeah, so here's how they're doing. I had to do away with Jack. Nothing was happening with him at all, so he just went away. And I've thinned them out, so there's only one per pot now, which is what the instructions told me to do. And let's see. So this one, there he is. It's not very exciting. I think they're alive. They're just not growing right now. And the instructions have some information on each of the trees. This is Jack. Look how beautiful he would have been. I mean, look at that. It's disappointing. So this one, some background on this one. Whoops, sorry about that. Picea abies, commonly known as a Norway spruce. The large pyramidal conifer prefers cooler temperatures and won't grow in areas south of USDA hardiness zone 7. We are in zone 7, so we're cool there. It is native to the northern and central parts of Europe. Norway spruce is the original Christmas tree, and it's a fast grower. Okay, cool. Okay, now let's learn more about Sylvester here. Okay, Pinus sylvestris, also called Rocky Mountain bristlecone pine, is a U.S. native growing in the Colorado Rocky Mountains and northern New Mexico. Limited populations of the bristlecone pine grow in Arizona and in the Kaibab National Forest. It is a coniferous evergreen, also called foxtail or hickory pine. When planted domestically, the Pinus sylvestris can live a very long time, even up to 100 years. Go Sylvester. Yet, in the wild, it can live for up to, oh my gosh, 2,500 years, and is thought to be one of the longest living tree species on the planet. Right there. Okay, coolness. Okay, Reggie, the superstar here. Delonix regia is a flowering tropical tree in the bean family, known best for its lush and striking summer blooms in a brilliant orange red. This Madagascar native has green fern-like leaves that are equally attractive as showy flowers. I agree. The foliage is mostly evergreen. It is also called the flame tree, or the flame tree, or flamboya. So flamboyant. Parts of the tree, like leaves, flowers, seeds, and bark, have a variety of medicinal uses. An oil is extracted from the seeds, as well as a gum used in commercial food production. The wood is used for construction timber and also made into charcoal. Wow. So there you go. There's some background on these things. Now, I have to start thinking about fertilizing them because I have been fertilizing them with some fertilizer I've just had around the house. So this is the fertilizer I've used on them. I don't think it's probably not the right kind, but it's what I had, so it's what I used. Let's see, okay. 800, whoops, focus. Nitrogen, blah, blah. Yeah, I don't think it's right. It hasn't killed them, but I don't think it's really helping them either. So I went online, I did some research, and I think the kind, let's see, here we go. I went to this site and I read up on this stuff, and I ordered this kind. Supposedly that is the best kind. And then there's more information up here, and I read about the different kinds of fertilizer for different trees. Now, I have 2 conifers, these guys, and I've got 1 tropical. So the conifers and the tropicals both need to be fed once a month during their all throughout the year. So I will do that. I'll start fertilizing them, and yeah. The only thing is, where did I see? Oh, here. The conifers need fertilizer 010-0. So this stuff is not that. So let's see. So I guess I need to get, and look how expensive. So that's fun. But I guess I'll have to do that for my little conifers. Oh, okay, so anyway, that's about where I am right now. So I will update with more information after I start fertilizing, and we'll see how they do. Thanks.